guys, welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. Do you guys feel it? Fall is here, guys. The crisp air, the crunchy leaves, pumpkin patches, chunky knits with wool coats and boots.
It's here. It's in full swing.
Oh yeah, and the hot drinks. Okay, going to be real here. I'm actually just purely referring to pumpkin spice lattes from Starbucks. I love that drink, and I literally cannot wait until fall rolls around every year so that I can enjoy the drink again. A dilemma. So speaking of which, the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette, I just really don't know if I should shell out the money and buy it or just forego that purchase. There's like a part of me, the practical side, that's telling me I have mountains of palettes that I'll never get through, and plus I already have both Gingerbread palettes. Do I really need this extra palette? And then there's the other side of me that's basically screaming at me and telling me that my Too Faced makeup palette collection
is incomplete.
And not to mention, it's not helping that it's basically the makeup palette is getting glowing reviews. So yeah, I'm torn, guys. I don't know what to do. But I'll keep you guys updated and let you guys know if I do indeed cave in and decide to purchase that palette. So today I was thinking to add to the plethora of makeup tutorials about fall looks with my own version. Basically, this look features burnt oranges, rusted hues, and I also added a halo effect to it as well. If you're interested in seeing how I achieved this fall look, stay tuned and watch the tutorial. And if you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm continuously building up my channel with new and fresh content, and I wouldn't want you to miss out on anything. So without further ado, let's just dive right in. Okay, so you want to start off by prepping and priming the face, which I have already done. If you want to know the products I use and the process that I follow, go ahead and check out a previous video. I'll also link all the products in the description box below. So after that, I am going to go ahead and start priming my eyes with my Urban Decay Primer Potion. Okay, and after that, I am going to go ahead and start using my eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using my Gingerbread Extra Spicy, which is perfect for these holiday looks. There's just like a great selection of colors to create that warm, cozy, neutral look. I am going to first start off by going in with butterscotch right here. Getting that all over the lids. And then after that, I'm going to be using cinnamon right here. I might mix in a bit of In a Pinch, which is like this other orange shade. And then also for the area closest to my lash line, I'm going to be going in with Cookie Call. after I've used In a Pinch, I'm going to be using some cinnamon and then finish off with some cookie call. I'm going to bring some of the cinnamon to the bottom lash line as well, just to create that cohesive look. And then I'm going to create like a bit of a halo effect in the middle of the lid. So just for some more dramatic effect, I'm going to be using my Stila Shimmer and Glow in Kitten. And basically for the halo effect, I just want to apply some of this highlighting shade and smack in the middle of the lid to create this angelic halo look. Good. Just going to go in also with some Lick the Spoon, this highlighting shimmery shade, and just highlight the inner corners and the outer corners of my eyes to just open them up. Then now I am going to go in and apply my eyeliner. So I'm using my Lorac Pro liner and I'm just going to draw it out into this extended liner look. Okay, so after I have gone ahead and applied the eyeliner, I am going to, as typical, trace over the liner with my colored eye pencil. And I think it actually really goes well with this look. I think with a lot of fall makeup looks, it's all about, you know, burnt oranges, rusted colors, and also muted olives. So this olive colored eye pencil I've been using totally kind of fits in with the color scheme. So I'm going to go ahead and trace over the liner with this eye pencil and also bring some of the color to the lower lash line. And then now I am going to go ahead and start applying my mascara. So I'm going to be using my Shiseido eyelash curler and as well as my new current fave Lancome Monsieur Big Waterproof Mascara. Okay, so after I have finished applying the mascara, I am going to dust on some blush. I'm going to be using my Sweetheart Perfect Blush by Too Faced. And then I am going to go ahead and apply some highlighter. So I find that in the fall season, my skin just looks duller than it does when it's like summer and spring. So I find that like putting on some fake glow with highlighter is really helpful in that regard. So I'm going to be going in with my Too Faced Diamond Light Highlighter. And then now for a crucial step, I am actually foregoing my usual bronze shimmery lipstick. I'm going to be using this kind of like chocolate shade in Sweet Maple. So it's by Too Faced, their matte lipstick line. And what I love about this lipstick is not only is it like this vampy dark shade that's great for fall, but I love how moisturizing it is. I find like a lot of lipsticks that I have used that are very pigmented, they can really dry out my lips. And there you have it. This is the finished look. I think it's just a really great, cozy, rich, neutral type look for fall. And I love the vampy vibe that you get with this lipstick. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look and stay tuned for more entertaining and informative content from me. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.